Trend continuation patterns. Trend-following trading strategy is believed to be the safest and easiest way to earn on Forex. Prior to a deal opening, it is necessary to calculate appropriate entry and exit points. In order to correctly do so, you should have a thorough knowledge and a rich trading experience. While knowledge can be gained via reading special literature, experience can only be obtained by practice. Pattern Graphix is designed for amateur clients of brokerage firms to help them trade on Forex without special knowledge or skills. The developers of Pattern Graphix added one of the most efficient trend-following techniques to the plugin, such as price chart analysis, to detect trend continuation patterns. Over a long period of time, such method has proven itself legitimate, since the trend continuation patterns are the sub-cases of wave analysis, which is based on the market psychology. Let us consider the situation with a highly liquid asset. In case the market is dominated by the buyers, it will grow until most of market players start closing their positions. As a result, the price will retrace to the levels where demand will appear again. The growth continues until the market players close their trades and begin purchases again. Alternation between supply and demand levels within a narrow range is called flat, which is depicted as a figure of graphical analysis. After the price breached its consolidation levels, the pattern is considered to be completed. Trend continuation patterns signify that the initial trend is likely to resume. Pattern Graphix helps to identify the trend continuation pattern on time and calculate the deal's parameters depending on the pattern's type. Pattern Graphix can detect 8 most commonly used trend continuation patterns. Among them are symmetrical triangles, rectangles, pennants, and flags. Considering that bullish and bearish patterns simply mirror each other, we will review 4 basic patterns. Flag. A bearish flag is a pause in the trend formed on a strongly pronounced uptrend. It resembles a small parallelogram tilted up. When the price goes below the lower channel of the bearish flag, it normally signifies a downtrend. After the pound fell against the greenback, consolidation took a form of a bearish flag. Pattern Graphix successfully identifies similar patterns and informs you about them in text with the recommended parameters for a deal opening. You will only need to specify the order's volume, then enter the market and wait until the price hits one of the expected targets for taking profit. In our case, the expected scenario was realized, bringing us profit of 185 points. Symmetrical triangle. A bearish symmetrical triangle is formed on a downtrend when the trend fades. The range of fluctuations narrows. The upper and lower bounds represent the sides of an isosceles triangle. It is considered that after an ascending symmetrical triangle is formed, the price has already breached its lower level. Such a breach signals a continuation of the downtrend. The breach of the triangle's upper level means the cancellation of a pattern. Rectangle. A bullish rectangle is formed on an uptrend when the price is consolidating right before the continuation of an uptrend. The breach of the upper bound of the rectangle usually means that the uptrend will continue. The breach of the lower bound means cancellation of the bullish rectangle. Pennant. An abrupt price move depicted as an almost straight vertical line usually precedes a pennant formation. After that, the pennant is formed during consolidation phase. A bullish pennant is plotted amid strong uptrend during a short pause. It gives the pattern a symmetrical triangle appearance. When the price breaches the boundaries of the bullish pennant, it usually flags an uptrend continuation. Pattern Graphix will send you a notification when any of the aforementioned patterns are being formed. It will also recommend support and resistance levels for a deal opening. In case several complying patterns appear on the same time frame, the forecast will most likely to be realized. You can get signals on emerging patterns even when you do not use the platform. This option is available in the corresponding section of the notifications menu. We will tell you more about how to set notifications in one of our next videos. Pattern Graphix identifies trend-following patterns well, but we suggest you to also use other add-ons available in the Lines and Levels section. Our next video will cover a more complicated kind of trading based on reversal formations.